Hi, hello, my name is Silvia Mantilla Cárdenas. I am 25 years old. I study foreign languages with emphasis on English. And actually, I am in 7th semester. I live in Bucaramanga, Santander. I continue. I will answer a few questions. Okay, I start. Step 1, course reconnection. What is the purpose of the course? The objective of the course is improve my level of English and to be able to acquire the basis for my future profession. And how many learning outcomes can you find in the syllabus? Is for learning outcome. What are the synchronous interaction activities? Is when you are online together at the same time. For example, a video conference. Asynchronous activities is with the teacher as in tasks and student must complete them at their own pace. How many activities does the course have? The course have 6 activities: task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, task 5, task 6. Which activities the course implies real-time interaction? In activity 2. I consider in activity 2. Summary with your own words the course rules and conditions. Present the activity of the established dates. Participate in the forum on the proposed dates. Attend the work conference. And have seen original works not copied from others. Is your institution email working properly? And yes, properly working. Okay. I will ask you a few questions for the step 2. Reflection upon English languages awareness. Okay. Have you got an English languages level certificate? Is not. What do you consider your level is a present? No, I don't know currently have a certificate, but my English level is A2.2 as I'm currently taking an English course. How did you get the level you have now? I have achieved it through English course that I have to take. Why are you studying English as foreign languages? Because I like languages and student this career is an opportunity to not only learn how to teach and languages but to teach it. How a student and languages and an adult different from a student is a child. For an adult it's more difficult to learn a new language. Science is learning sometimes that the cognitive part is not used to both sides. It's used in the process of growing up. They are learning their native languages, and if you are another languages to it. How long should you study foreign languages? I think there is no specific time. You could say when you finish your English course, but nevertheless you have to keep studying because when we are not in a country we are constantly learning languages, we forget the things that are important to study again. How can you make languages learning part of your life in the future? I believe that when I do projects where it is necessary to use two languages, I will be making this part of my life in my future. How can you organize lifelong languages learning? But setting goals. If I want to learn a new language, I should set aside time to learn and practice it. Thank you.